Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to forget or remove a Bluetooth device from MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! My many wireless accessories and peripherals from the Mac connected to the computer with Bluetooth. But what if you no longer need a particular Bluetooth device connected to the Mac and you want to remove it? It's so simple. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can go to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. And then here you'll find all the connected device on your MacBook. And if you want to remove one of them, you can just choose like this one for the example. You'll find there's like X. You can just click on that. Are you sure you want to remove this device? You can just click on remove to confirm. So the device will be deleted or removed from this devices placed on your MacBook's Bluetooth. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove Bluetooth devices or forget Bluetooth device from your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!